Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport 2.4. I'm doing a starter on it. Got to take out the battery, get down in here, get to the top bolt. Probably have to get to the bottom to do the rest. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Got these clips here I want to take out. You don't need to take out all of them. I just took these out just to get up under here. Get you that. Get that out and pull right out. Battery terminals. 10 mil. Got a 10 mil right here. One right there. Just gonna hold it, get that bracket out. Now we get that battery out. Get this plate out. Alright. So we gotta get in here and get to this bolt. Get our starter bolts. So that's that one at the top right here. And that one at the bottom, I think we gotta get it from the bottom. Went ahead and removed that. That's a 10 mil down here, holding that. 10 mil. This clip. Pull that out. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this throttle body. 4 10 mil bolts. Just move it away so I can get down in here. Alright, that's how I'm getting it. 14 mil wrench. Broke it free. Let me see. So I went ahead and put that extension on it in a short 14 mil socket, and I'm just undoing it with my hand. Alright, that's that top bolt. And we're gonna go ahead and get up under it. Alright, this is what I did now. The bottom bolt is right here. So how you get that? I got a 3/8 ratchet on it and a short socket 14 mil. That's it. I broke it free. Now it's ready to come loose. So I was hoping and praying I didn't have to remove the intake manifold, but we got to, because I got down at the bottom and it wouldn't come out. The starter would not come out. So 10 mils, remove the engine cover. All right, what we got? Got some bolts. We gotta find our bolts for the manifold. All right, show you what I did so far. I took out the 12 mil bolts holding the intake manifold. So those is what I found so far. I'm still checking. We got 12 mils right up in here. I almost missed it. So I got on it. Get those out. This bolt right here, you gotta take that out. Another 12 mil. Alright, we removed these two here that we got loose. Got that one and that one right here. All right, we got a 10 mil and a 12 mil holding this here. I took those two bolts out. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this fuel line. All right, once we get this bolt right here out, right there, separate from the intake manifold, should be able to pull it out. As you can see, I got the injectors. I pulled those all the way out. Put them up to the side. Make room. And we can pull that guy out. There it is. Got it out. So this side, I took off this hose right here. This plug, took that out. And instead of taking off these here, I took them off up here. These two hoses right here. Alright, see what else. Like I mentioned, these pop out. You just tug on them slightly and they'll pull right out without breaking anything. Those two 12 mil nuts that hold the intake in, those right there, I thought I was done, but they was hiding. I'm sitting there trying to get it off. All right, let's see what we got. Don't forget to put your gasket back on here. That was that bolt there. This connector. I just left those hoses on there, man. That throttle body. And those two bolts right there, those 13 mils. I did take off that connector right there as well. Try not to miss nothing, man. You see those two bolt holes? That's where that go. So these two here. Took those sensors out. And this little bracket right here, I just took the bracket off. You can see when it go in there, gotta bolt that hole. That's where that bolt go. And it's another one on this side. Got it laying around here somewhere. There you go, bolt on there. Lead this way. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off these connectors, positive terminal, that connector, and that signal wire. I already got it undone. Thinking I can get it from the bottom. That's a 13 mil holding that. And then this here, you want to get on that back side and press that tab in, and then you can pull it out. Alright, so they're good. It look like they're matching up. Alright, we in there. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the bolts. Get them in there before I put this intake back on. Alright, we good. So we want to reassemble everything. This piece here came out. It goes in there. Goes in there. And I would assume this goes here like that. Now, one thing I want to add, now, when I was coming up and out of here, this was in the way. Of course, it's right over top of the intake manifold. I tried to unhook these down here. I did this one to the left, but this one right here, I unhooked this end, but this still stayed attached, and I couldn't figure out how to get it off. So I left it there. If you can get that off, it'll make life a lot easier. I took off the alternator connector as well, trying to get it out. So, all right, we got it all back together. Put that clip back in there. Go ahead and start it up.